Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am back with another video. Today we're going to be doing another food review. Haven't done one of these in a long time. So, I'm going to be doing one today. Doing the Lay's Stax Buffalo Wings and Ranch. See in the picture, looks pretty good. I found these actually at a dollar store yesterday, so that's pretty interesting. See if I can open these. Without putting the camera down. Oh, I think we got it. Let's go. Alright, let's see. Take a quick look inside the box. Or plastic tube. Let's see. Looks like they're a regular barbecue chip. I mean, these are basically Lay's Pringles, but I don't know. So that's what they look like. I hope these aren't like ridiculously hot, because I'm not a big fan of spice. I mean, it smells like chicken. I mean, there's not a closer, in-depth look at it. So let's try. This one got, I mean, it's got a lot of the spice on it, so hold on, let's give it a shot. I mean, I guess that tastes like chicken, but I don't feel like a chip should taste like chicken, so I mean, it definitely is what it says it is. I mean, it's just not really something I'm enjoying. You know, definitely, going hot. Definitely, I would get the cheeseburger ones over these. I've had those before; they're pretty good. I mean, okay. I mean, I'll give them 3 out of 5. I mean, you know, basically bang average. I mean, there's really nothing else you can say. And they are what they say they are, and I'm just not really a fan of them. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.